this evening and along with to receive this honor. It's extreme pleasure and a privilege. It's been a long journey. I've enjoyed it, and it does not mean that it's over. I hope to be contributing a little bit always, till I can. So thank you everyone in this industry who has been so kind and so cooperative. All my writers, actors, technicians, through the years, they have given me so much support that I was able to make good films. And thank all of you, not just Assam, all of India and all Indians all over the world for loving my films. Thank you so very much. Good night.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Ramesh Saab. You are an absolute inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Vicky.
Such an honor to share this stage while you win this tremendous honor. Congratulations, sir. We would like to thank Akshay sir, and we would also request our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam to please stay back on stage. Thank you, sir. To join the Honorable Chief Minister, may we invite... to thank the government of Assam for inviting us to host the 65th Amazon Filmfare Awards 2020. We are also honored